Romy. Today is Monday, July the 20th. Man, I ain't really been paying no attention, but caterpillars have eaten these sumacs alive, man. I mean, devouring these sumacs. I'm gonna have to come around here and put the Captain Jack's dead bug to these suckers tonight. I'm just glad they're out here eating these sumacs. It's not eating my damn plants. Look at them damn things. I mean, they are devouring. They got black crap all over their backs. I can't tell what that is, whether it's their damn shit or what. Focus, bitch. Holy moly. I'm glad them son bitches ain't around back. That's all I got to say. I don't know whether to just leave them, let them work on these sumacs, or kill the son bitches. I think I better spray them for the hell of it. Look at them son bitches. Just devouring them. Ain't nothing left in them sumacs. Jesus Christ, I thought them tops was getting ready to flower. That was all that's left of the damn things. Damn it. Oof. I know plenty of damn Japanese beetles flying around. Ooh. It is time to feed the ladies. Ooh. My ass is whooped. Them lives, them 9 o'clock lives, they just kill me. Ooh. A little jalapenos. I need to get me a stand. Them oven stands, so I can stuff these babies. Leave them standing upright. They are ready. Fat and ready for some stuffing. Hell yeah. Like something doing a little munching. I'll pay him tonight. That damn old cassava, I didn't think was gonna make it. That little root I paid about 25 bucks for. She's jumping on now. It's kind of crazy how the tops almost look like they're dying, wilting. But they're not. They just got droopy tops. Okras are rocking on. I gotta come out here and pick some. I don't like them getting too big. That one right there is ready, Freddy. I'm gonna get him. I moved that little autoflower over there and shade a little bit. Sometime this week, I'm gonna order that 30% shade cloth, and I'll probably move her over there in the cage area. This one's doing good, getting its head back. No caterpillars. This one, definitely getting IPM tonight. I killed like 10 fresh hatchling little bastards this morning. Goddamn caterpillars are gonna be the death of me. My poor Brussels sprout. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Fucking tomato plants. I don't even want to stop. Oh no. Super crop got snapped. God damn it. Let's harvest that bell pepper. Couple 3 ready to go on this one. They ready to roll. Shit, and more shit. And these pitiful little bell peppers. I don't know what the hell is going on over here. I cut back on my formula for my feed. Slurrilla Z's down, so I mixed 5 tablespoons of the Alaska fish and 3 tablespoons of the Alaska bloom, which is 10 tablespoons of whatever would be a full strength 4 or 5 gallon bucket. That one over there didn't make it. I dug around this morning. It got eat up. But we got 5 of them in here. We're gonna see what happens. Can't wait to get that damn shade cloth over them, because I have a feeling that's gonna make a big difference. Big difference. Whew. Still right damn humid out here. Mr. Man's blueberry. Y'all getting fed up here shortly. Oh, another son of a bitchin' Japanese beetle. Oh, you almost got away. But I don't think so. You dead meat now. Good bug. Gonna be some nice colas on this blueberry. Well, blueberry is 5 foot tall, from the top of the soil to the top of the plant. A butterfly bush. Plenty of moss, I promise you. This kid's rockamelon haze. Strolling on. Yes, indeedy. I cow magged them, yesterday or the day before. They are ready for a feed. What you doing, Stash? That's what I call that cat. He got that black mustache. Call him Stash. Call her Stash. I see no powdery mildew. So all that is lovely. Oh boy, I'm tired. Heads on these are looking all right. I'm gonna top this kid here pretty soon. She's getting real close. On the topper. I'm gonna take that cucumber today too. This one here is good too. Just that one. No caterpillars eating all eating the good part. Ooh. Let's see what we got for pH now. She's been sitting a while. Yep, I did 5 tablespoons of the fish. 3 tablespoons of the more bloom. We can use a little bit more on the veg side since I don't have Florilla Z out here anymore. So hopefully they like it. Let's see what the hell we got going on here now. Been sitting for a minute. 6.15, I will take it. I will take it. It takes a lot of pH up. A lot. Whew. All right, Grummies. Poor little plum tree didn't put out shit this year. The ice storm took care of that. Beautiful. Gonna be a monster ass colas. Alright, Grummies. I'm gonna get after it. I got shit to do. And no wheels to do it. Be thumbing up down the road all day. God damn it. Have a fantastic day. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.